Hi guys, this is Anmol from Stalani TV. Welcome to my new vlog. In this new vlog, I'll be talking about all the MID settings of Hyundai Elite i20 Asta optional. So here I start the vlog. First, I started the ignition. As you can see, it's checking the system. After checking the system, these are the information which it gathered. To control all the MID settings, we'll be using these four buttons which are placed on the steering wheel. This menu button, down button, up button and OK button. Let's go into the settings. First option is door. In door, there are two options, auto lock and auto unlock. In auto lock, there are two options. First is disable and the second is enable on speed. Right now it is on enable on speed option, which means that when car reaches 20 km per hour, the doors will get locked automatically. And in auto unlock, there are two options. First is disable and the second is vehicle off. That right now it is on vehicle off, which means that when I turn off the engine, the locks will get disengaged. Let's go to the lights option. In lights, first we see is one touch turn indicator and the second is headlamp delay. What is one touch turn indicator? Well, in layman terms, one touch turn indicator is quite a useful feature in modern cars. For example, while cruising on a highway, a car running behind you wants to overtake and asks for your signal. So without losing the concentration from the highway, all you have to just do is pull or push this lever in the desired direction from which side, like from the side you want him to overtake, and the blinkers will start flashing with the desired number of flashes, for example, like which we have already set, like 3, 5 or 7. Right now we have set it to 7 flashes. The next setting is headlamp delay function, which means that when you turn off the engine and lock your car, so the headlamps will remain on for 10 to 15 seconds to escort you to your location. Inconvenience, the first option is wiper and lights display, which means that when your wiper or the lights are on, it will show you on the MID, for example, as you can see. And the second option is auto rear wiper. This feature is useful when it's raining heavily. Suppose it's raining and you engage your car into the reverse gear, the rear wiper will start working automatically. Setting is service interval. This just shows you the service interval, like in 1 year or something, and we can, the second option is, which is like right now not enabled, is adjust interval. Then there is other features option. In other features like fuel economy auto reset, in this it's off. The second option is after ignition, that whenever I start the car, the fuel economy will reset, so that it will show the economy but like after that trip. Or the third option is after refueling, like when every time after I refuel, the economy will reset, or you can, in basic language you can say average. This shows the fuel economy unit or the average unit. Like there are two options. First is kilometer per liter or liter per 100 kilometer. The last option is temperature unit. In this there are two options. Either we can choose degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. And then second last setting is language. So there are two languages available. First is English and the second will be Korean. As you know that Hyundai is a Korean car. I'll tell you how one touch indicator system works. Right now I have set it to 3 flashes. All you have to do is you have to either pull or push this lever. So let's start with the left one. I pull it upside and you can notice only 3 flashes were done. We'll try on the right side as well. So here I end my vlog. Thank you, stay safe, stay tuned. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.